Hello traders, welcome to live stream. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Okay, like earlier we had discussed, right? Before US market opens itself, it is better 15 minutes if we come early and we discuss. Things will be a bit better for us, right? That is why I've come a bit early, at least 10 minutes. Now traders, please see here. I have marked this as a seller pressure zone in the market. You can see market is forming a double top here. And from bottom continuously market is forming higher lows and higher highs, and it is moving towards the upside. Now in our crypto community group, before me coming live itself, around what time, 7:46 7:42, that time itself, where is it, sorry, somewhere around afternoon 12:28, that time I've shared the setup saying that crypto market as of now it is here 95,290 zone. According to me, the buying pressure zone can happen somewhere near 94,890, from where market can reverse. So this is the view which I had shared. Now if you go back and see 94,890 range, from here only buyers are slowly putting pressure in the market. So if you already know, if you're part of the group, you would already know that okay, this can be the buying pressure zone. Whatever I told here, please see if there is any reversal setup available at the zone, right, at the zone, but bullishness near this area is needed. So this was the setup earlier I had shared. Where did the bullishness started coming in the market? It started coming maybe continuous red candles, you wouldn't have entered. After that, here this can be the bullish candle. So with that logic, if you had placed the stop loss, small stop loss here, and maybe if you had targeted 1:2 risk reward, ideally how much movement the market is done from the time maybe you would have sorry, if you have entered here, why is it not okay, so if you have entered here, stop loss is kind of around 400 points. From there market has moved close to 750 points. Now what I'm trying to say right now is this is a selling pressure zone. Here we identified the buying, but here this is a selling pressure zone. US market is yet to open. As long as market consolidates this range, or if it gives a solid breakout, trend continuation issues we might have. That is why before I come live stream itself, before market coming to this range, I've been telling this can be a selling pressure zone. So plan is to not take any. If you have taken buy, be careful near the selling pressure zone. Fresh buy trades only above selling pressure zone. So till now, whatever I have told, is it clear for you guys? We identified buying pressure zone. I shared in the group. Now before coming live, certain analysis I have done. First analysis is this can be a selling pressure zone. The sellers who are here, they might re-enter. Okay, that is why we should not be looking for any buying opportunities in the market right now at this zone. If this breaks continuously, what is happening? This trend line, resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, resistance 4, we can say there's a resistance 5, now coming to resistance 6. So many resistance in the market right now. In price action, there is a pattern I have told, right? If market is staying within this range, finally if it gives a breakout, retest and shows continuation, it can make maybe 40 to 50% of the movement of the past trend. What is the past trend? You remember this yesterday trading setup that we took, right? It was very profitable, good. But this past trend, whatever is there, maybe market from this zone, it can go to 97,890 or 99,540. This range up to that market can go. Since I don't know right now if these sellers are strong or not. That is why I've not entered any bearish trade here, even though this is a selling pressure zone. Market is forming M pattern, buying setup already over here. Fresh buy we cannot take, because as long as we know these sellers are strong, if they are strong, easily a stop loss will get hit, right, if I take fresh entry. So avoiding that, this buyers whoever entered earlier, they are kind of safe. Now in this live we have to look for fresh opportunity. My expectation is we will wait for some time. If market is holding on to this range, gives a breakout, then maybe next market can go target people at this upper level. That is the idea as of now. Based on what kind of movement market does, we will decide next. If it goes off below this level, then it is a bit difficult for us. Then trend continuation should we take or not, we will decide. But looking at this update, whoever has entered the trade exactly near the zone, ideally you would still be in profit, because this is your stop loss, and maybe at the zone maybe little profit would have reduced, but okay, still you would be in profit. Ensure that you are having a trailing stop loss for your trade. So whatever I have told right now till now, have you got clarity? What is the view? What we are planning to do right now? Just tell me in the comment section. Shankar Sarma sir, what about others? Can you please share whatever I've understood, whatever I shared right now? Have you understood why we are looking for, waiting for uh, before taking a bullish trade, and we are not entering a bearish trade here? Just joined. Are you expecting a breakout? That is what I am thinking, sir. This is the expectation. Continuously this trend line is acting as resistance. If these sellers, right, if they are strong, from here only they will push off the market towards the downside. But if the buyers who entered here, right, they are strong, they'll first try to give a breakout, maybe correct, and then try to take out people at this zone. So based on price action, my first priority is upside movement, because many people are thinking about bearishness. So hopefully, hi Ramesh, newly joined, welcome to the live stream. Waiting for trend breakout along with you. Immediately trend breakout, if we enter, little problem we might have. So so I'm just thinking, traders, if these sellers are strong or not, still I don't know. If market gives a flick and then move towards the upside, if I, for example, randomly, let's say long position, I'm planning to enter right now, I'll keep my stop loss here. This is close to 500 points. For this, if market goes up to this zone also, 1:2, 1200 points. From here, if it continues, 1700 points. For that, this risk can I take or not, I'm still thinking, because I'm not sure if this seller will he re-enter, he will push the market down or not. Still little clarity I don't have. So that is the only reason right now I'm not taking the trade. But just in case, what we will do, can we take? Anyways, US market still it is not open. 3 minutes to go. If this breakout, if it fails and then hits my stop loss and continue, I will get into problem. That is the only thing which I'm thinking right now. Or else I will miss out the opportunity also. What to do? Okay. I will just place one order. Okay. Market is yet to open. For many people, you can wait for a breakout. You can do that. That's up to you. Now simply I have placed this order. Stop loss is the most important thing. So I will go down. Just fix off the stop loss. I'm telling you already, right? I'm little still not sure if these sellers will push the market towards the downside or not. but problem is I might miss out opportunity. So that is the only reason I'm thinking, okay, let me enter. We will see. US market is yet to open. From there, sudden selling pressure comes means I will end up in loss. Nothing can be done. But at least have you understood why I'm taking that bullish trade right now? Only reason is I might miss out on the opportunity. But for that, risk is there. I have to take that risk. So I cannot keep my stop loss at this zone because this is not safe. More than that, this level is kind of safe. So that 50-50 chance is there. At least if this correction, if I can avoid and later upside move, I might escape, right? So that is why little bigger stop loss I have given. For rest of the people, if you want to wait, you can wait, because you might feel the stop loss for the trade might be a big one. Ideally, first expectation is market has to go break the zone. If it breaks the zone, then next it can go and trap people at this zone. So now, how many of you are watching the live stream? If you have understood whatever I've explained, if you're making use of the updates that I'm sharing right now, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. See, if I had entered here, I would have been more safe, right? Now, some of you might ask, sir, looking at this move, you are saying, okay, I should have entered here, I would be more safe. No, traders, you see here, in the group, what time I have told? Afternoon 12:30, I have told. Market will come up to this zone. From here, it can reverse. Please see if there is any reversal setup available at the zone, but bullishness near this area is needed. Bullishness started here, right? After the zone, market broke the zone, bullishness started here. If I had entered here, good momentum towards the upside, already half the target would have been done. But what to do? See, for many people, still I'm saying this is a selling pressure zone, right? I've told already, seller pressure zone. The seller, still I don't know if he's strong or not. If he starts putting pressure, I will end up in loss. Just to be safe, bigger stop loss I've given. For that bigger target I am aiming right now. Whoever wants above the selling pressure zone when market comes, you can plan your trade. Okay. See, this pressure is there. Nothing can be done. What if breakout happens on the downside? Let it happen. I'll give my stop loss. As of now, I've come with a mindset. I've done my analysis. Based on that, I'm thinking of focusing on bullish trade. Of course, I shouldn't have entered here because still these sellers are strong or not. Still, market has not decided. If these people are weak, then bullishness can start. From there, upside movement means better entry. But if I try to capture the moment a bit early during the market opening itself, if possible, since it is as per my risk capacity, even if it corrects, gives a breakdown here, attracts people from here, if it reverses, the moment what I want, I will get little more quickly. So that is why if it goes below this zone or this zone and all, later I will be looking for the next bearish trade, what I should plan. I will look according to that. Okay. Rajshekhar sir, hello, welcome to live stream. Suresh sir, hello, welcome to live stream. Nazib sir, you are waiting for a trend line breakout along with you. I have entered little early. Maybe you can wait. 51 people watching the live stream, only 19 likes. Come on traders, support the channel by liking the video. It supports me and it motivates me also to make regular videos like this. Last 2 days we have actually doubled the capital. Many people messaged me. Really happy for you guys. Today small reasonable stop loss if I'm taking also, it is okay for me. Analysis wise, before the market open itself, continuously last 2 days also we did the same. Before market opening we have entered. So you know, when the direction goes as per our view, how much big movement will be able to capture, right? So based on that small risk here or there we have to take. Now it has come to cost. If it holds on to this range for longer duration, gives a breakout, good thing for me. Or else if it hits the stop loss also, I'll wait for some time. I took a buy trade with 25% quantity. Okay, good decision, no problem. Make sure the risk at least is as per your capacity. You take it according to that, right? Rohit Reddy sir, okay. Did anyone plan the upside move here? What I had discussed in the community group? Morning itself I had discussed. If you have captured, good. You would already be in a safe zone. Today also traders, you can see I have not set the target. Stop loss is most important thing. I have set the stop loss. Target and all, as the market keeps moving forward, upside, downside, based on that we will decide. Stop loss only for your reference I have kept here. This area can be the target 1, this area can be the target 2, depending on your capacity, right? Depending on how you feel. Okay, you have taken in Ethereum. See, this breakout, if it converts to failure also, no problem. But failure has to be only up to this correction and later move. That is when it will be good for us. See, we are not got to say from here only market will go. But my perspective is upside lot of stop loss hunting is there. Market has created mindset for people that okay, I'm going to go down. Market is negative, everything. So where liquidity is there, market goes there. And I feel this moment what happened in the market was around 6:30. Only then slowly buyers are adding position. Now if they fail also, some people might enter later. From here it can go. Hope is about these buyers, but so much big stop loss I cannot give, so little here only I have kept. According to our strategy, bearish trade now. I understand that traders, but I am not taking bearish trade uh, right now only because based on market opening. Okay, only because based on market opening movement is happening. That first 15-20 minutes exactly we cannot say 50% chances there. I already noticed that our strategy is forming, but I'm going now based on price action and stop loss hunting. If that is the case, if that works out, good for us, right? So one important thing, when our strategy is forming also, you have to see at what time it is forming. If it is at exactly market opening time, risk is there, right? If reward comes, very good, but risk also is there because many people will start exiting their position, adding their position based on US market. So at that point of time, quickly we cannot jump into the trade because it will be 500-600 points more risk is there. See, I told no, this breakout it might fail. If it fails also, up to stop loss it should not go. If it goes, nothing can be done, but from here upside continuation means I can try to capture. At the initial stage only, if it gives off the upside movement, right, we can easily capture the moment. Or else second trade when we take bit skeptical, we will be all those things and all will be there. Now, traders, usually coming live 10 to 15 minutes before the live stream because I explain the view. I say where selling can happen, where buying can happen. All these things we will try to analyze 15 minutes or 10 minutes before US market opens. Only then we decide, okay, this is the plan. So that as soon as the market opens, it will be difficult for me to explain, right? So little be alert in this free telegram group or crypto community group. As soon as I come live, I will share the link. Also make sure you press the bell notification so that you you are notified as soon as I come live. See, market as of now, uh, Shankar Sham sir, I have entered a bit early, right, before the market opens. What I said, market can give a breakout. This is a selling pressure zone. Market can correct. Okay. After correcting also, if it gives a breakout, then little more confidence we will have that buyers can trap people at this zone. Okay. Probability is there. That time, if you want, you can enter. That is what from beginning I am saying. Hi sir, have you captured in Nifty today? No traders, psychology got affected in the setup. You see, I placed my stop loss here. Sorry, Bank Nifty, stop loss here. It hit the stop loss. Later it moved up. Nifty also later it moved towards the downside and later it went. Today psychology got affected. I did not take trade in Nifty. So over trading also we should not do, right? It is not that every day we will be right. The days when we are wrong, I give up and I go. Hmm. See, profit loss is as what market decides. Even in this trade, profit and loss is as per what market decides. I am decided to give this the loss. That is up to me. And here also, I could have held on because I'm confident. Market once it proved me wrong, again it is proving me wrong means if this is my limit, this is my limit, I will close that and go. I don't want to compete too much with the market. See, sticking to the rules is the most important thing, traders. Sticking to, okay, you stick to a strategy. Today one strategy works, okay, tomorrow you will follow the same strategy. Maybe continuously 2 days 3 days in that strategy you will make loss, but that might be a very good strategy. So you have to give it some time, maybe 20 days 30 days. You have to take a report of how well the strategy is working, how successful the strategy. Without that, every day you keep changing the strategy, it will be difficult. Now fresh entry on the call side, because the trend line has been acting as a resistance from quite some time. Many people might be bearish, might think, okay, this is the correction before trend continuation. If my stop loss hits, no problem. I'm speaking about fresh entry. If market breaks this zone, right, then potential of bigger momentum probability is high. So that time you can focus when market gives the required breakout. Okay, we and all have entered before the market opens, because if quick movement happens, already we can keep trailing a stop loss more quickly like that. So sir, so the previous bull run is just a trap. See, bull run can be based on what Trump keeps saying, what psychology is happening in US market. Based on news it happens, how people are feeling about BTC. All those things and all matter. uh, News based I cannot look at the market. I cannot say, because the upside rally it went to 1 lakh and all those things. Maybe if Trump wouldn't have won the election, maybe market would have taken another 6 months 1 year, right? But Trump already saying that, okay, Bitcoin I'll support, I will support Elon Musk. All those things when they say Elon Musk also is supporting Dogecoin, Bitcoin, all of these things. So they expect, okay, that is movement is completely based on the sentiment what the president has created. So according to me, market should have taken little more time for the bull run. It should have gone slowly. How to set stop loss? Okay, now let's imagine that you have taken an entry here. Okay, this is your entry price. You want to set stop loss at this price, you think. Hopefully you are using Delta Exchange. So this is the stop loss area. What I will do, I will right click on the mouse. I will copy this price. I will scroll down. Okay, here my trade, this one would be here. I'll click on this. Here I will paste, right? I will, after dot everything I ignore, and then I click on update. When I do click on that, stop loss gets activated here. Stop loss trigger. Same way for target, if I want to set trigger, I will go here. Example, let's say this is my target. I go here, copy the price, scroll down, edit here. In this, take profit, trigger price. So in this section, I will paste. Okay. So here you can see this is target, this is stop loss, this is the entry price. Ramesh sir, you understood? You only asked me this question. Now traders, what I'm hoping for is this breakout. This is the selling pressure zone, breakout failure. If these sellers are weak, from here if market starts moving towards the upside, our target can be achieved. Okay. See, more liquidity, many people, liquidity is created. This fall, we captured yesterday, that you live, that is big players game. But after that, all this correction, whatever is happening in the market, market is giving more confidence that I'm going to continue the downtrend. But if the downtrend continues, okay, no problem, my stop loss will get triggered, it will hit, no problem. But if market decides to create liquidity by moving towards the upside, right, it wants to hunt all the stop losses of people. When it hunts the stop loss, it gets the liquidity. That liquidity move, if I get, easily target will be achieved. Sir, how to stick to stop loss? It's really difficult. Is there any way to practice? See, initial stage for everybody, it is going to be the case, right? Sticking to stop loss, sticking to target is a difficult thing because it is more about psychology. So to control that, first you have to trade with quantities which you are able to manage. Maybe 10 lots can be a manageable position for you. You take only 10 lots. Okay, like that you can decide. Now here at the zone, market has attracted a bit of people on the bearish side. Too much bigger breakdown if it gives, my stop loss definitely will get hit. Hopefully, if from here only if it reverses, it can be better. Because at this level when market corrects, people saw, they looked at the breakout, right? I got a breakout here. People thought about entering a call trade, but immediately market corrected. People know this is a sideways zone. In the sideways zone, why I should enter bearish trade, people will think, but they will think about entering bearish trade after the breakdown, right? So with that logic, if they have entered, from here only if market wants to trap people who entered bearish trade, from here only if liquidity has to start, let it start. That is the expectation. That is what I want. But if market proves me wrong, what to do? How to set stop loss? I have explained, no sir. You go here, you go to whichever trade. Have you entered the trade already? Then where you want to set the stop loss, you go there. Okay. And there you copy the price. After copying the price, scroll down at this zone, you paste the stop. You can see stop loss here, right? Here you paste the price and then you click on update. Your stop loss trigger will be set here. I don't know, in case you have got stuck in a trade which you didn't want it to get stuck. Quickly, if you want to exit, just click here. It says close position, you can close. Is that the same way we can set up the stop loss in Nifty, sir? In Nifty, the problem is there, no? Minimum 3 lots you have to trade. All those issues are there. That is one big concern. So for many people, minimum 3 lots if you have to trade, you want to trade at the money, in the money strike price. Of course, for each lot, around 600 700 rupees will be the risk. Minimum if you have to take a risk in Nifty, around 2000 rupees you have to take. Yeah, or at least 1500. So if that is as per your risk capacity, then you try. Or else at the initial stage you can do paper trading until you get that confidence. Waiting for entry. So I've already told the logic behind where next entry can be done, right? Selling pressure zone, seller zone, okay? This seller re-entry. If this breakout fails, this seller is weak. Then from here, if market continues, small stop loss. Maybe here stop loss is small, means here you will get 1:2 risk reward. Since I entered before the market open in itself, I had to give bigger stop loss for my trade. Around 58 people watching the live stream, only 30 likes. Please like the video and mention your name in the comment section. I will announce your name. The first 5 names after liking the video, please mention. I'll announce your name. Hi Jay, every day I see your videos. Nifty and Bank Nifty option only will plan. Any future trades? Any for futures trading these? You mean Nifty Bank Nifty only option related I'm speaking, not about the futures market. Are you saying that? Sir, did you start Tamil channel? Thanks for reminding. Traders here, this is my Tamil channel. Today only I started. This is my first video introduction of what you can expect. So if you guys are really interested to, join the Tamil channel, if you're Tamilian, then definitely you can do that. I will paste the link in the comment section. It would be great if you are Tamilian and you want to learn crypto, all of those things for free. I'll be teaching here. If you're interested, you can join traders. Okay. This is the channel. I have just started it today. Did you dub your old videos in Tamil? Which old videos you're talking about? See, crypto, one basic video what I've done in English. Many people cannot understand English, means in Tamil I have to do. Apart from that, most of the videos what I do in Tamil and English might be similar. But since you can already read the name, right? Crypto trading Tamil. In this, mostly I'll be focusing on crypto, creating awareness related to crypto trading. I mean, carry forward in Nifty and Bank Nifty. You mean BTST and STBT trades? Taking overnight position, you're asking me, sir? Jai Prakash sir, thank you for liking the live stream. Deepak sir, you asked me about the Tamil channel. We have started. So if you would like to support the channel, please do that by subscribing and watching the first video. Ganesh Arvindan sir. Hello Ganesh Arvind sir. Thank you for joining the live stream. As long as market breaks the seller pressure zone, it is a problem only for us. Hopefully it breaks, but little bearishness it is showing. Okay, no problem. With that logic only, stop loss I've kept a bit small, because even if it creates liquidity here and move towards the upside, I'm kind of safe. Even after giving such a big stop loss, if it hits, then next trade I will beat traders. Rohit sir, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Subscribe to Tamil channel. Thank you so much, Trade Science. I have stopped doing BTST trades. All those things doesn't work out. No need overnight headache. Rather, when I'm there in the market, profit or loss, whatever it is, I will accept it and I will move forward. Tomorrow is a fresh day, new day, right? So I don't carry forward the positions. That is why I don't do BTST, STBT, because my psychology doesn't get, my psychology doesn't work that way. There are certain things I feel I'm okay with. Only those things I do. For me, BTST doesn't work. For me, trading after 2 o'clock doesn't work. And for me, what other things? Hero Zero trade doesn't work. So these three things I try to avoid. Sir, in a day, I take one trade per day. Okay. If it is doable, if I'm very confident with the setup, or the first trade has given me good results, second trade, okay, or first trade I have taken less risk, small quantity, second trade I have that bandwidth for that particular day, then I take the second trade, I stop it there. In BTC I'm doing little more trades, because of, especially when you guys are there live, I keep taking trades here only. Good evening sir, your voice sounds a little low. Is my voice low, traders? Am I not audible to you guys? Lata madam, maybe you can try earphones if it helps. – 47 people watching the live stream. Lata madam, others are saying it is okay, not low. Some people are saying yes, little low. Maybe earphones can help. Sound is normal and good. Okay. Too much it is holding on, traders, in this range. Still, that confirmation is not there if the seller is weak or not. Once it proves that he is weak, then it can achieve this level also, or it can go up to this area also, 97,250. Just that he has to give up. If he gives up, things will work out fine, or else a little difficult. Sideways, how long can we stay? Because others also might be expecting fresh entries for their trade. check video volume or system volume. Okay. Lata madam, can you try doing that? System volume or video volume, can you check once? Could you please explain bracket order in Delta Exchange? I don't here see here what this bracket order is there. In this you can choose how much of a quantity you want and go here. For example, let's say this is the current price you want to place your entry. Copy this price or click here and then immediately click here. That amount gets updated here. Choose how much ever lot you want. Okay. After doing that, you can submit the order. If you want, you can set stop loss limit order also. If you ask me, are you confident with your trade? I will say I'm still confident based on price action stop loss hunting. Sometime market can prove me wrong also. Today, this trade, market after hitting my stop loss only, it moved towards the upside. That possibility is there. But anyways, for me, at that point of time, if risk is there under my control, reward is okay, it is very decent, more than 1:2 or at least 1:2, I can go about it. But in this case, little uh, you know, I've placed a target here. Of course it is not 1:2 because my ultimate target can be this zone, right? After this, but for this market opening trade, so much stop loss I have to give. So this can be the first target point, second target point. When the market keeps moving forward, I will trail my stop loss and then I will move this trigger price. Okay, I will not hold it. I don't want to keep it here. I want to keep it even higher. I'm not going to make any changes to the stop loss traders. That is one point. If you're watching my live stream from, the last 20, 25 live streams, whatever I've done, I've never increased my stop loss once I place it, right? I have trailed my stop loss when market is going as per my direction. But since if market is coming down, I'm not holding my stop loss and putting it at this zone. That doesn't work. That is one thing we should not do. Target you want, how much ever trailing you want, you can do and go. You would have seen that yesterday only, right? How well in this particular trade, target was initially here or this zone, right? How well we kept on trailing and going. After that, market gave even bigger move, but already I had overdosed with trading yesterday, so I did not take fresh entries. Little buyers are showing active, little they are showing some pressure here, but problem is selling pressure zone, right? As long as this breaks, confidence will be bit low, chances will be 50-50, right? But I don't want to miss out opportunity. Means if risk reward is as per my capacity, means I will take. That is what I've been doing all this while, right? In system it is full volume. Okay, I will try my best to speak a bit louder for you. Okay, am I audible to you, ma'am, now? To go up, I believe market has to break 95,930. Sorry, 95,930. You're saying this zone, somewhere at this zone. Hopefully, what I feel is, if market directly breaks this level only, right? Sorry, if it goes above this level itself, right? Any small correction from here, definitely potential is there. Buyers, too much buyers have waited, traders. Buyers have waited for long. right? Continuous market moving down, more liquidity is there at the bottom, everything is there. So this downside move, I said buyers can get activated here around 12:30 in the group, I'm saying, right? 12:30 I've told, if market comes to 94,890 zone, potential of upside movement is there. You see, where is this zone? Huh? 94,890, this zone buyers started putting pressure. That is when market moved up. Ideally, if I was there live, then here only I would have taken trade. Stop loss would have been small. By now, almost near target level, we would have been there. What to do? Market is market. That is why I say, if you have not joined the crypto community group, please join, right? Because like when I'm not live, all these updates I keep sharing there itself, right? Now, okay. See, these buyers also is not giving up. The sellers, it is proving that the sellers is not able to push the market down. So potential is there. With that only we are going. This target little more higher I will place, because I personally don't. I'm okay to give the stop loss. That doesn't matter to me. But target has to be more when I'm right. But for many people, if you want, from the time we entered, see this one candle alone is almost equal to the stop loss what we have taken. See, one breakout failure, market hunted their stop loss, attracted bearish people who's bearish at this zone. I said from here after attraction, continuation can happen. So all of these things, as per our view, when it is going, no need to give bigger stop loss. Reduce the stop loss. Okay. Whoever is trading along with me, I'm telling. So this area can be your first target. This area can be your second target. This can be the ultimate target. Like that we can plan and go. If the market goes as per our direction, maybe we'll keep trailing a stop loss. Once we get it to cost, nothing else to worry. Now I cannot get to cost. I don't think that is right. If you want, if you are worried, okay, market is starting the move, why don't I trail my stop loss up to this zone? You can do it, no problem. Because completely my mindset, your mindset is different. In this live, that is what I'm trying to show you, how my mindset is. Can you adjust to my mindset? That is what I want you to see, right? Try little things out of the box. So as of now, continuation is happening. Like I said, attracting, market has come out of selling pressure zone. Ideally it has to move towards the upside. So fresh entry, anyone wants to take below this trend line, if you place your stop loss, maybe see if you are okay with that. I mean, sorry, long position. Let's say you take your entry here, stop loss here, and then target here, right? So 1:3. If that is something what is suiting you, you can try that. I'm not telling it now, right? From that time I'm telling. Sartic, just now I said about fresh entry. Ideally, this seller already proved that he is weak. He did not hold on to the selling pressure zone. So ideally, if people get attracted here also, potential of upside continuation is high, but sometimes reversal can happen. That is why stop loss have not trailed too much. Let him prove that he is weak. I am feeling he is weak. He will give up. So buyers can continue the upside move. But let him prove. Later I will trail my stop loss. I've already spoken about fresh entry, right? Sir, Tesla view. I don't look at stocks that much. Are you asking in terms of trading or investment? See, I've already informed if you have entered along with me, right? It is close to 500, 600 points. 1 is to 1 risk reward you would have got. Either trail your stop loss if you are worried, thinking that okay, this is a resistance, market can correct here, I want to exit, exit. That is up to you. But I don't want to exit. I'm okay to give the stop loss. If you want one more thing, what you can do also is trail your stop loss to cost, right? Little here, if you trail your stop loss, if market corrects also from here, if it moves, you will be more safe. Near cost to cost only you will book your loss, right? Like that you can think and decide what you want to do. My understanding is the sellers has already proved that he is weak, upside movement is high, but just to be on a safer side, let me keep my stop loss little lower so that even if it fails, it comes for a retest and then moves, my setup will still be intact. Only little stop loss I will move towards the upside, okay? Little. This much is fine. So slowly I'm getting my stop loss lower and lower, right? When bigger movement comes, more lower I will get it. You have trailed. Okay, sir. Good. Monday, actually, for many people, capital doubled. Tuesday also capital doubled. I could see a lot of message. Today, is it going to double or not? All we have to do is wait and see. Hopefully, first, two things traders, breakout once, breakout failure, attracted put option traders, again move to resistance. Here if it attracts, these sellers already 90% these sellers are weak as per my understanding. Little 10% nothing I can say. That is why I have not trailed my stop loss, right? So if these sellers, if they give up, then next possibility is up to this resistance. My understanding is okay. Considering this as double top, triple top, people if they place entry here on the bearish side, again liquidity is created on top. If the seller, if I feel weak, if he gives up, if this is just a liquidity move, then if it corrects, bigger movement I will be able to capture, or else I'll give that stop loss, whatever I've decided for the day, and I will go. What is the minimum target? You're asking about crypto community group. So this is our free crypto community group. If you want to become a part of this group, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the comment section. It is also there in the description box of this video. So if you are interested, you can go and check it out. So when you open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, you get access to this. You also get access to our course, right? You get access to both. So if you are interested, you can join. Finally, CTT has subscribed. Yeah, traders, those of you who's watching the live stream, this is our Tamil crypto trading group channel, new channel just started today. Please support the channel by subscribing. If you are interested to learn crypto related concepts in Tamil, crypto trading Tamil, or all right. The link is also there in the comments. You can go and have a look. Pressure is there. Hopefully this is not a bigger pressure. where it hits my stop loss. Rather, if it moves up, can be better. But continuation it is showing, that is one problem here. Continuation, that is one problem. That too, I've trailed my stop loss little bit. Pressure is there, traders little among sellers. Ethereum view, little descriptive, I will see. Ethereum is kind of in a range only. Here also it has given breakout failure, again breakout failure. So this can be a range, right? This can act as support, this can act as resistance. Once one time breakout failed, maybe it is coming for liquidity. Later again, if it moves at the upside, maybe you can look for bullish trade. But as per our setup right now, it is a bearish trading setup. Continuation towards the downside as per the setup is possible. Little be careful within this range, traders. Wherever reasonable stop loss if you get, you can consider. Did my stop loss hit here? Ethereum is showing some bearishness that might impact BTC also. Looks like it will take the SL. Here it will take off the SL. Okay. I have reduced the loss a bit, so that is kind of okay. One more setup if I get. Still views there on bullish side only. Only these 3 candles is the problem. Hopefully this buyers will they reactivate, we will see. Okay, one more setup if I get, I will take. This selling pressure zone is creating a lot of problem for us. Please don't go search for this is a private Telegram group. Only if we give access you can join, right? Don't go on Telegram and search for this, you will not find. Only our official free Telegram channel, it will be there, but there are many fake channels. Better you go to any of my YouTube video description. In that you will find the link there. From that you can join. Okay. Now this first setup what I shared in the community group, where is that? This setup, where is it? 96,253, right? 96,000 around this area, right? This first trade has almost given that profit. This was what 1:2.6. Here only was our entry somewhere, so that setup has given profit. But in this live trade what I took, it hit my trailing stop loss. See, I am market has continuously moved towards the downside. Liquidity at the bottom is very low, right? At every pullback, market has removed weak buyers. If it is removing all the weak buyers, potential of upside moves high, because once it forms that high, right, easily all the liquidity the market wants it will get. That is why exactly, sir, like you said, below the zone, then I will change my view to neutral, or else this will be my buying pressure zone. This will be the buying pressure zone, this area, Okay, right? And above this area will be the selling pressure zone. So since it is in consolidation range right now, next trade if I take, only out of this zone I'm thinking of taking. But I'm very tempted to take the trade right now itself on the bullish side. Just that if I get stuck again in sideways market, it will be a problem. As of now, view is still bullish. Stop loss might hit. But from what I'm seeing, what I'm observing, potential of being bullish to sideways is high. So that is why no bearish trade. What time I have told this is the selling pressure zone? Around 7:40 only I have told this is the selling pressure zone. I could have gone and taken trade, right? But more liquidity is there on top. So liquidity move if I get, that would be great for me. Hopefully you are understanding why I'm having the bullish view, right? More than bearish. Bullish to neutral, why I'm having. When view goes wrong, small stop losses, we have to be ready to give traders. Yesterday, nice profit we have made. Anyways, I had asked you to trail your stop loss here. If you have trailed, okay, that small stop loss would have hit. Sir, I have Delta Exchange account. Can I get added under you or need to create a new account for this? See, as of now, only if you open account with Delta Exchange, you will have that option of joining the group. Someone is asking, is it a rising wedge pattern? Not necessarily. This is the support. Sorry. This is the support. This is the resistance. Rising wedge means market has to move like this, where sorry. Rising wedge means market movement will be like this, right? But here you can see it is becoming more wide. Here it was narrow. Okay, here it became a bit wide. Here it became even more wide. So we can't consider this as rising wedge. This is not rising wedge. At least in my eyes, I don't see it as rising wedge. Live stream available in Tamil. Sir, Tamil live stream பண்ணலாம். அதுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எல்லாரும் சேனலுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணணும். ஆஸ் ஆஃப் நவ் வெறும் சாட்டர்டே சண்டே லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீம் பண்ணலாம் இந்த குரூப்பில். மற்ற டைம் இந்த குரூப்லேயே பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கும். அது வரைக்கும் இங்கே எஜுகேஷன் கண்டென்ட் எவ்வளோ முடியுமோ அதெல்லாம் ஷேர் பண்ணலாம். ஏன்னா பேசிக்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியணும் இல்லையா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அதை டீச் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்புறம் வி வில் கோ ஃபார் த லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீம். மேபி இட் இஸ் எக்ஸ்பேண்டிங் விச். Sell the pressure zone, buying pressure zone, market is just holding means what to do, traders? Trailing stop loss, if I wouldn't have kept, yeah, still I would have been in the trade. But you speak good Tamil. You say like this, I could see one person commenting saying that your Tamil is not that great. We are able to understand, but it is not that great. Because I'm from Bangalore, right? Here, the way how I speak Tamil is a bit different. Little continuation is happening on the bearish side. Sellers are continuously putting pressure here. Now here I was worried about these sellers. In this zone I'm worried about these buyers. So what to do, traders? What to do? What do you think? Where do you think the market will move? Is it going to be sideways, bullish, or bearish? In the comment section, just let me know. Vaishnav, could you please make video on learning curve for traders? I think you have asked about it earlier also. I said I have done it. I will be doing it. Sideways is it? Okay. Continuous selling pressure is coming, right? Continuous selling pressure is there. Why are these buyers not re-entering? I'm thinking that's it. Ideally, they should have re-entered already. Why are they not entering? See, not necessary what everything I say works, but based on the probability of me looking at the market, I'm saying buyers should have already entered now. Now, if this is where I feel buyers will re-enter, maybe the same similar setup I might try to implement here, traders. Because this is the last area where buyers can enter. So this time I'm going with 100 quantity. Okay, I'm placing the order, and shit, that is why. See, anyone who thinks, okay, my one trade per day risk is over, don't think about second trade, right? So for me, I have a bit of bandwidth. I'm thinking this is the last place where buyers can re-enter. That is the only reason I am thinking, okay, let me plan for an entry here, right? So continuously selling pressure is there. Market has not broken the selling pressure zone yet. Just a hope that these buyers might re-enter. If they do it, then potential of continuation is there. Many attempts market has done, so we'll see. I got my entry a bit late because of that, I was explaining about the bracket order. Selling pressure continuously. From here, one green candle followed by a green candle, the probability will increase. That's what I feel. Based on that itself, I have little early. If I take it is better is what I thought, so I have taken the trade. Feeling of a following trend of downwards. So you feel market can continue the downside move. Okay. At least up to this zone, let these buyers let them prove they are weak, right? Continuously it is holding on to a range, right? If you're having if you're entered at the upper level, that's up to you. That's a good call. But here within this range, better to wait. Market is trapping both buyers and sellers. It is trapping both buyers and sellers, that is there. But one advantage also we have here, which is not there in Indian market for many people, I'm saying, is that here you're trading in the futures market. Because of that, if market is doing the time correction, there is no decay for you, right? So wherever you place your stop loss, wherever you place your entry, if market is holding on to that range for longer duration also, there's not too much for you to worry. So here itself you see this particular trade, market took time, right? How many candles? This is close to 69 candles. That means 3.5 hours. In Nifty, Bank Nifty, you think trading in options 3.5 hours, if you would have waited, time decay, big problem. But here you have that option. These buyers are not showing power. Ideally, they should have shown power here. Market waiting for candle close. Okay. Now I learning. It's okay. I understand. What is okay? What you understood? Continuation is happening. Like Yogesh Sundar sir was saying, whoever wants to wait for, the upside level to break, it's okay, you can wait. At the same time, you can see there's a sideways market right now, right? In the sideways market, if it market is deciding to trap both buyers and sellers, and it is not able to judge the direction yet, still clarity is not there, means better you can wait for the setup. If I complete one trade in Delta Exchange, I need to message to that WhatsApp number, right? Yeah, this WhatsApp number you have to message. Okay. Yogesh sir is thinking it is a range bound. Around 61 people watching the live stream. If you're making use of the content, update whatever I'm sharing based on price action, stop loss hunting. If you're getting little idea about the market, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular live stream like this, and also the YouTube algorithm might suggest our videos for many people who are looking for this kind of content. After liking the live stream, if you mention your name in the comment section, I'll announce your name as well. Nagarajan sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Now meanwhile that our trade is going, anyone who wants to join our crypto community group, you can do that. You can see setups like this we share in the group. That's the similar kind of setup here. Maybe you would have trailed your stop loss, you would have made at least 400 points move here, right? Or if you had waited for the target was achieved at this zone. My first live trade setup actually failed. If anyone is new, you think only this setup I took. No, I took one bearish trade, bullish trade also. Market went up to this level, it hit my trailing stop loss. This is my second trade. And apart from the updates what I share in this group here, I also share the strategies with you guys. The strategy is specially designed for crypto trading. If you're interested, you can try that as well. Now, sometime back, someone was saying our setup is working, right? So here I did not try when market was opening, but at this zone, actually setup worked perfectly, right? Now, people who are there in our what uh, crypto community group are setup. This is a setup, right? I failed to see that. That is one mistake. Anyways, when people was during market open, people came and told, our setup is forming, but later they did not say. When the real setup is done, what to do? So those of you who's there in the uh, you know crypto community group, you are aware of this setup, right? This bearish trading setup near the magnet zone, and you can see similar kind of setup. Exactly, but what to do? I took the opposite side trade because I did not see that. Now, especially when I come live also, focus should be on the trade, it should be on the comment, everything. So sometimes, because some people feel, there is more clutter here. They don't know what are these things, who's not a part of our community group. You might get confused, why are these lines here? So that is why I remove of that. Mostly I discuss everything based on price action, stop loss hunting. How you're finding it is a real setup? Sir, it's not getting it properly. How you're finding it a real setup? I'm not understanding, sir, what you're saying. How you are finding it is a real setup? See, nothing you will get to know if it is real or not. What is the beauty about the strategy? Tell me. In the video only I've said this is going to be a 50 to 60% success rate strategy. But when it gives you the reward, how much reward it can give you? Many videos I have shared, right? Here, how much movement? 1300 points. Okay. In live market, at this time, around 1900 points. Sorry, 1100 points. So, setup will give you, it is going to be a success or failure. You will only get to know later. For that, that risk you have to take. So, please come out of that mindset where after the trade is over, I should have entered here, I should have done this. Forget about all that. If you are confident with the setup, take even one lot, one quantity, doesn't matter. I'm confident with the setup, I've taken this trade. I'm okay with the risk reward, whatever it is giving. So basically, it is just that you have to take that initiative in executing the order. Everything what you see computer profit doesn't matter. If you think, okay, I should have entered the trade here, I would have made profit, will that money get added to your account? Will you be able to withdraw? No, right? So believe in the strategy and then go ahead. That is my suggestion. What is the most biggest problem is that you have fear of making loss. Then how much you are ready to lose? If you want trade with one quantity, just one BTC you take, it is what, around $2 to execute the order. Your entire trading setup might be over in what, $5. Bring in at least 1000 rupees, and as long as you don't have the real market feel, it is difficult. But in Indian market, in the current situation, it is difficult for me to say like that, because lot size they have increased, minimum, 1500 2000 rupees risk minimum you have to give for the trade. If that is the case, then here you're getting better opportunity, right? Doesn't matter Indian market, crypto market, wherever it is, as long as you place the order only, you will make profit. SL hit. Where did your SL hit, sir? Which trade did you take? See, now buyers, hopefully they have got activated here. So little, if it breaks the seller pressure zone, it can even be sideways, right, like before. So I'll wait for some more time, then if I want I will trail. How you feeling, Deepak sir? You understood what I'm trying to say? After the setup over only you will get to know it is a correct setup or wrong setup. But many times you keep doing the same setup repetitively. 3 months, okay, not even 3 months, 2 months, even with 10 quantity you trade, okay, go as based on the setup, whatever is taught to you, based on that you place the order. Even it is 50-60% success rate, but you know the success rate of this strategy for 200-300 points risk and all, you can make 1,200-1,300 points return, right? So in that case, when you can make 1:3 risk reward, 1:4 risk reward, then you go with the strategy. End of the month it will be a profitable one. If it is not profitable one, after trying for 1 month, confidently after you enter, then we will see what you need to do, how to fine tune this strategy. But as far as what I am seeing, the success rate of that crypto strategy is very good. Buyers are not getting activated, sellers are not getting activated. Hmm? For those of you who's new to live stream, every day we come live around 8 o'clock. If you wish, you can join us by subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon, so that tomorrow when I come live, at least you will be here on time. My SL hit. Your SL hit in which trade? You mean this trade? I took a short trade based on the EMA strategy, good profit of 1,000 points. Okay. I took my first trade on Delta Exchange. Okay, sir. Message my team. From the upside, sellers are putting pressure. From the bottom, buying pressure. For many people, since market is holding on to a range, it is better that you uh, take any avoid taking any fresh trade within this range as of now. I have taken already the trade because time was already what, somewhere around that 1 hour of live stream. So here this buyers, here sellers got attracted. This is the last chance for these buyers to enter. If they enter right now, then probability is there, even if it comes up to this resistance, then it will be a good profit, because what I have done, I have increased the lot size, correct? So stop loss is small, target can be a decent one. So since we have increased the lot size, if market goes as per our direction, very quickly we can start thinking about trailing or booking the profit. If this stop loss hits, then okay, I will say I've done 2 attempts, market is trying to be sideways, it is going to be range bound, means better I will avoid. I will not go for one more trade until the market comes out of this range. Trail the stop loss along with you entered. Which trade? This current trade what I have taken, that you're saying you have trailed? Delta exchange looks neat. Yeah, it looks neat. I've not tried other brokers to comment, give my feedback or comment on other brokers. So far, whatever for me in Delta Exchange, it is working okay. I am not having any issues. What is the minimum deposit? That is your wish, sir. Uh, Nagarajan, sir, you say you entered here. You say you entered here and market later reversed and hit your stop loss only before making this move. I used to do in XNS, but I feel this looks good. I will slowly switch to Delta Exchange from XNS after closing my existing positions. Okay. See, I have not tried XNS or any other broker as of now, so I cannot comment. But I have very close friends, right? I started Nifty Bank Nifty many years, but this Delta Exchange or crypto trading, because of the introduction of futures market, because I don't believe in mm, what is that, investing in BTC. I want to close my trades, whatever it is, within one day itself. I don't want to hold bitcoins or any other cryptocurrency for long term. I just want to trade with that. Since this futures market trading was available with Delta Exchange, and my friends and all suggested this is what works great for them, so they are experienced, so according to their feedback I went ahead with Delta Exchange. It is working great for me. Other brokers I have not tried, okay, for me to give feedback. Now, if you want, even you can open account with Delta Exchange using the link what is there in the pinned comment. By doing that, you get access to the crypto community group, right, where I keep sharing updates like this. And this setup also my team had shared. If market breaks the zone, we will be looking for bearish trade, but market moved up. So bearish setup did not get triggered here, but this is a 30 minutes time frame chart you can see. And before I come live only, I had said this is the selling pressure zone. So like this regularly I keep sharing update, and this setup what you see here also, this similar same setup, right? So like these updates you will keep getting. Along with that you will get the strategy. The strategy success rate is just 50-60%, but results are very good based on the risk reward, right? Sir, Nagraj sir, you said your stop loss hit. No, sir. I will explain the logic in the crypto community group why your stop loss got hit here. Okay. Ideally, this should have been your entry, but you have entered here. Your stop loss got hit. Why you should enter here? Why we should not enter here? That I will explain in the crypto community group. Okay. Let me finish this live stream first. Maybe later I can come and share the update. Solana. Mm. Looks like all the cryptocurrencies are range bound traders. It's just holding on to a range. Because what I feel is after this continuous correction in the market, after lower highs, lower lows, market forming, just now it has formed higher lows and higher highs. People, after looking at this move, they're not that confident to enter a bearish trade. Because of that, maybe stop loss hunting levels are not getting created on top. So that can be a problem. Ethereum also, it is just holding on within a range. You see this is the low, high, higher low, higher high. Still it is in higher low. Again, if it forms a higher high, then opportunity is there. BTC, every index has gone sideways, creating pressure. See, where can we keep target prices based on how market is moving right now? Hopefully, at least this trendline zone can be our first target, right? This trendline zone can be our first target, and by then trailing stop loss to cost, then these areas will be the next target towards the upside. It's in a range, right? At least if you want first entry target when it reaches this zone, you can book because there's a selling pressure zone, right? Next trade maybe with the profit, if it moves, I'm saying, with the profit which you make for here, any breakout setup, next one more attempt. So like that, something we can plan, traders. Now this is just sideways and creating headache. Deepak sir, have you got clarity where we can place stop loss target? Or are you asking in Delta Exchange how to place target? I'm not understanding. If you're asking at which zone we can plan our entry, maybe at this zone. That is the first target. Okay. And if you're not exiting there, you want to hold, then stop loss you will trail here. After this correction, if bullish move continues, more profit you will try to capture. So either TP is here or correction. By then you bring your stop loss on top, from here upside move. It is more about liquidity game. I don't know. Yesterday nicely they kept the market towards the downside, and today maybe little bearishness, they want to create more liquidity for the entire trading session. Tomorrow if they are thinking of pushing the market, it looks like sideways right now. How long will this consolidation last? If you want, if you ask what is my wish, my wish is I want it to last for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, either it has to go up or come down. I'll be happy. But what to do? It can be a time, you know, time correction. So after this fall, people are still thinking, okay, is this justified? This fall is justified. Should we pick up the market from here only, or can we take one more day to think and then push? So based on that, Deepak sir, have I given clarity for the doubt that you asked? I said take profit zone can be the selling pressure zone. After the trail stop loss, after correction, maybe you can, if it continues the trend, you can hold, right? You can try that. Ravi Kumar sir, I've spoken about Solana already. All the indexes kind of trading in a zone only, right? It's just trading in a zone, consolidating in a zone. Now all the index is showing some pressure. Maybe the market heard what I said. I said I want the movement immediately. See, market is giving me what I want sometimes. Maybe, sir. Maybe. still looks like in the zone only. See, those who have entered along with me, maybe maximum, you can trail off your stop loss from here to here. Okay, one moment is come. Doesn't make sense too much stop loss and all to give right now. What we will do, we will trail. Okay, if it hits the trailing stop loss, fine, no problem. If the movement continues, we will capture. How long can we wait? If it is a sideways market, let it be. What can be done? Some people might not know that the kind of 1 is to 1.5 risk reward is coming, but I have increased the quantity, right? So there, based on price, I can manage risk reward. Okay, but this ideally will be the first target. I'm not setting this target, I'm saying, just saying this can be the first target, and from here if it corrects, then continues. If it moves towards the upside, maybe I will trail my stop loss even further. Like that I will see traders. We still not sure that this big correction came, right? Did fresh sellers, have they entered the market again? Are they going to push the market again from here? Still we don't know. That issue is there because look how big these candles are, right? One, two, all these candles alone is close to, I think, 800 points. Is it? Huh, exact 800 points. So gotten so used to it, looking at these candles only, we can say how much big, 500, 600,000 points we are able to see. Who's entered along with me? If you want to trail your stop loss, you can trail. If you want to book your profit, you can do it. This also is a decent move only. I cannot say that decent. 230, 280 points and all is very common. But I'm just saying, trying to tell you that sellers are here, right? Again, they're going to re-enter or not. Still, that confidence is not there. If that is the case, again they push the market down. Why give very big stop loss, right? Not required. And my duty is to keep you updated, keep you informed about what is the probability, what can happen next in the market. So that always I ensure I follow. Just because I have entered, I don't keep telling you that even you have to stick to the trade. I'll tell you what are the probabilities of what can happen next. Based on your escaping taking capacity, your mindset, you decide. Right? BTC is moving. I think all the index they're starting to push it. Solana, Ethereum, not so much. Solana, little covering they're doing, but big selling pressure has happened from top only. Like I said, traders, still it is in range bound. People are thinking, should we continue the up move or should we keep the market sideways? Let's do the time correction later, push it towards the upside. Both they might be thinking exactly. Even I'm not able to, decide because I have a very short duration of time right now. Right? We are trading on a 3 minutes time frame, so difficult. Now, how many of you entered the trade along with me? You can trail your stop loss if you want. Trail your stop loss, book your profit, whatever possible from your end you can do. Still this one time, two, thrice, fourth time they have pushed, fifth time again will they push down or continue, we don't know. Keep that in mind. Based on that you decide. I entered first trade with Delta Exchange. Awesome, sir. Maybe you are looking at my live stream also, right? So easily you will get adjusted to the interface also. Anyways, every day, almost every day, you are coming and joining the live stream. So you can easily relate. If you have a little concern of, how to use the interface, all those things, according to that, already I have made one free video on YouTube. Please go and check that out. In that you will, see. Looking at this up move in the market, we cannot be too happy because still it is not yet confirmed that the sellers have exited. But very lower end only, since I've taken the trade, I'm kind of in a safer range. The selling pressure zone is still valid, traders. Market has tested this many times. If it breaks, it is good only for me. But I'm saying the selling pressure zone is still valid. Still, they have not proven that these sellers are weak. Again, they have re-entered, right? Market has not gone above this, right? So, little careful only we have to be. See, again, they're kind of putting pressure here. On the trade, trailing the SL. On the trade, trailing the SL means you have taken this trade and you are trailing SL. Tell us when you exit, we will also exit the trade. See, I'm saying still this is a selling pressure zone. Okay. Market has reached this almost this area. If you want to exit, you exit. Don't exit along with me. That time it will be like me giving you calls. I'm telling you where the sellers can re-enter, where they can put pressure. Take that as a learning. Look at the market, observe the market. Are sellers still, are they putting pressure or not? You can see they are putting pressure, but still not that confident. How much more will they push off the market full lower, or these buyers? Some time back I said no. These buyers who are here, this can be their last attempt. From then on, how much movement the market has done? Approximately somewhere here I would have told, right, from this zone, 500 600 points. Again, these sellers, if they decide to do time correction, nothing can be done. That is the biggest problem we have. If you look at my yesterday's trade, I kept on telling you guys, you remember why we need to exit, no need to exit, because we have got the trend, we have identified the trend. But in the sideways market, with the hope that buyers will put pressure again, I have entered. So their chances little, it will reduce as long as these sellers stop putting pressure. Now these sellers are putting pressure here. That is what it is. So kind of range bound means what to do. Ideally, my plan is like I told you guys, okay, at this zone, if you want book profit, or at the zone you book the profit. Or what we can do, my idea as of now is not trail the SL market if it corrects from the zone or this zone, right? Again, when it moves towards the upside, only then trailing the stop loss makes sense. I would get my stop loss towards the upside, or at least 1:1 risk reward range. From there, okay, again, will I be able to capture the moment or not? That is what I will see, right? So maybe it might not be ideal for everyone to do the same. That is why I say, okay, if you have entered along with me the trade, if you want, you book your profit, or at least bring it to cost, because I have to keep your risk reward also in mind. Based on that, you would decide what you want to do. Now, Lakshmi Narayana Babu sir said on the trade trailing the stop loss. I understand that even he has taken the same trade, but he has trailed the stop loss. He's done it as per the risk capacity. So for each person, it is different. Sellers are showing pressure again. If buyers re-enter, good, or else it might take my stop loss. See, what you would have observed is, if market is going as per our direction too much, also not worried too much about how much profit we are making, completely ignoring. I'm just focusing on the profit to tell you this can be a decent profit for you to exit. For me, it doesn't matter. So when it is hitting the stop loss also, not worrying too much, letting the market do what it wants to do. That can be an ideal mindset. Eventually, even I think regularly, if you keep following us, even you will have similar mindset. Yeah, sir, free money, right? Almost near SL. If it takes, okay, or else I'll just leave it to the market to decide. Trade is almost 1 hour 50 minutes done. So this setup is just not hitting the stop loss. It is consolidating. Whatever it is, I've trailed my stop loss up to this level, and hopefully next entry is here, stop loss is here. From here, in case the market moves towards the upside, this can be the first zone. By then, maybe we will trail our stop loss, or whoever wants, they can book their profit. If you are waiting, then wait until the next correction by bringing the trailing the stop loss to cost. Only if this trade still goes on. But if it hits my stop loss, okay, I'll be done for the day. Waited too long for the setup. What is auto top up option in Delta Exchange? Actually, I'm not sure about that. I can get back to you. Maybe what you can do is you can link your bank account with Delta Exchange, and you maybe, let's say, you decide every time my wallet balance goes below 10,000 rupees, auto top up for another 10,000 rupees, something like that. Now trade is almost near the SL and then quickly reversal. Too much of waiting also is creating headache, traders. Okay, so what we will do is we will leave it to the market. Any further update? If market anyway stop loss is set, first target will be this one, this range. If you want, you can book it here, or if it corrects, then moves towards the upside, this area will be the second target. Like that only we keep trailing a stop loss and going. As at some point of time when we see, okay, we have made at least 1:2.5, 1:3 risk reward, then we are okay, right? Then we'll keep trailing a stop loss to maximum and hold the trade. So too much live stream, too much headache, close to 1 hour 15 minutes done. Still stop loss is here. Okay, this is the range. What is it? 94,890. Target can be here. So this is the setup. Any further update, I'll update you in the group. Those who want to join our crypto community private group for absolutely free of cost, all you can do is open account with Delta Exchange, and then you have to message this number, what you see on the screen. My team will be more than happy to guide you, give you access to the community group. There you will also get access to the course content. Okay, this is crypto strategy. You can watch this as well. All right, thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. You message my team, sir, they will add you to the group. Okay, by tomorrow, before we come live stream, they will add you. By then you just reach out to them, send out the message. Anyways, now time is 10 o'clock, right? Tomorrow morning they will add. Okay, thanks everyone for participating. Hope you learned something new today. Good night everyone, God bless you. Before closing the live stream, if you have not liked the video, please do that. All right traders, good night, bye.